Hello everyone, I'm Karthi Vignesh. In this video, we're going to be talking about section number 4 in Web Technology Lab, which is to design a sign-in and sign-up page with a navigation bar using CSS. So basically, we have to create a sign-up page, and we should be using external CSS with a CSS extension file. Include two backgrounds, and the position of the box should be relative to the page. And yeah, that's probably it. And we have to add things like hovering over it and focusing all this stuff. So I already coded the website here. So first I'll go through the HTML one and then we'll go to the CSS one. So the HTML one, basically we are having a title here and I've linked the style sheet in style.css, and inside the body there is a navbar in the header which has all these list items with unordered list, and the class banner one we have the two sign up pages, and class banner 2 there is nothing. I'll explain why there is a banner 1 and banner 2 here. And this is a sign-in page. These are basic. I've just given the inputs here. So first I'll show you this page without the CSS file. So this is how simple the page is without the CSS file. As you can see, there is an unordered list with bullet points with all these different hyperlinks. Sign in, sign up, and 3 different text boxes in all of it, and 1 button. So that's how it is without the style sheet. So we'll go through the style sheet now. So in the style sheet, first I have given the overall padding and margin to zeros, and border spacing as box spacing as bordered box. And in the navbar, I have given the list style, all these things, background colors, height and width and position to be fixed on the top, and top margin as 0% and z index as 1. These are all things that is required for the number to appear as in the sample output given here, like this. And here in the navbar li, I given it as float left and width as 20%, align as center. So this way it will look, it will appear in the top like you see in the sample output. And navbar links, I given the colors and all this stuff. And when I hover over it, the color should go into this one, and the font should be bold. And this is the banner 1. In the banner 1 divided element, I given the height as 600 pixels and one image in the background. It should be centered, size should be covering, no repeat, margin top should have 2 pixels height, position is relative, and top one again 52p. And here in the banner 2, I given the size of 300 pixels, another image, same thing as the first one. And in sign in, I given a box in the background which is 400 into 400. Background color is which is white. Position is absolute, left spacing, top, border radius, box shadow, which will be in the background by the way. And padding is given here. And the sign in page, header 1, which is the H1, which is the sign in top label. Given the text align, font align, all these things. And the sign up again the same thing with quite different values, and again sign up H1, same thing. It's the same thing, exactly the same thing for this one. And label input and label fonts is different. Label input I have given the display as block, margin bottom 17 pixels with 100%. And for all the 3 input type boxes, I have given all these values so that it will appear as in this one. As you can see, it is like a grayish background with a slightly grayish text, right? So that's what these values are for basically, except for this one. This is a button. This is the button that we have used to make it appear like these two. And again, this button has an hover property which will lead to this color change and text color as white. And the input text box for the password, this is how it is again arranged. So that's basically it. These are just values for it, nothing to be going through, nothing complicated here. So I'll execute the program now. So this is the sign in page. As you can see, the top we have all the, it will just lead to the same page. It will have the navigations working, and this is the navbar which is fixed on the top. As you can see, I'm scrolling, and there are 2 background pixels here, one with the tiles and one with let it snow in the background and at bottom. And we have 2 boxes, sign in and sign up, almost the same thing, aligned perfectly. And we have text, all these things working properly. ever. And when I try to log in or register without filling it, it will bring me to the focus of the text, and it will say please fill the form. So I think those are the requirements for the question, and all the requirements have been satisfied. So yeah, that's it for today's video. See you guys in the next video.